Cabinets play a crucial role in defining the style, organization, and functionality of your home. Whether you're revamping a single room or undergoing a full renovation, selecting the right cabinetry can transform your space. This guide will help you choose the perfect cabinetry for each room in your home. What are semi-custom and custom cabinets? Semi-custom cabinets offer limited personalization at an affordable price, while custom cabinets provide unlimited design possibilities for truly tailored spaces. Choosing cabinetry by room. Different rooms benefit from semi-custom or custom cabinets based on functionality, style, and specific layout considerations. Kitchens. Semi-custom cabinets prioritize everyday functionality with organizational features. Custom options elevate the space with unique materials and tailored layouts for an upscale look. Bathrooms. Semi-custom cabinets enhance powder rooms with practical, stylish storage. Custom options create luxurious master bathrooms with elegant materials and spa-like features. Living rooms. Semi-custom cabinets suit entertainment areas, featuring display and storage solutions. Custom-built options enhance the room's design with perfectly tailored furniture. Mud rooms. Semi-custom cabinets provide affordable organization for entryways. Custom solutions deliver personalized lockers and high-end finishes that blend into the home's design. Basements. Semi-custom cabinetry meets basic needs in functional spaces. Custom cabinets elevate basements with unique features like wine storage and premium craftsmanship. Laundry rooms. Semi-custom cabinets organize laundry necessities while staying budget-friendly. Custom upgrades create seamless, luxurious workspaces with specialized built-ins. Butler's pantries. Semi-custom cabinets offer cost-effective pantry storage. Custom options add elegance with detailed finishes and cabinetry tailored for entertaining essentials. Home offices. Semi-custom cabinets organize essentials affordably. Custom solutions enhance productivity with integrated desks, specialized storage, and personalized aesthetics. Dining rooms. Semi-custom options provide practical storage for dishware and linens. Custom cabinets transform dining rooms into high-end, functional spaces with beautiful finishes. Closets and bedrooms. Semi-custom cabinets improve organization affordably. Custom-built systems create luxurious, tailored storage solutions with enhanced functionality and finishes. Whether you're designing your dream home or simply upgrading certain spaces, semi-custom and custom cabinets offer options tailored to different needs. With expert craftsmanship and thoughtful design, your cabinets can elevate every room while adding beauty and functionality. At Caruso Kitchen Designs, our desire is to create beautiful, livable spaces that fit your unique life and style. We invite you to schedule a free design consultation or visit our showrooms in Lakewood or Louisville, where you can explore a world of design possibilities. We proudly serve the entire Denver metro area and beyond.